Hello, I'm Denmark E. Bautista, and this is my video simulation in AND gate in AND logic gate for each condition. If A is 0 and B is 0, our output is not energized. If A is 0 and B is 1, our output is not energized. If A is 1 and B is 0, our output is not energized. If A is 1 and B is 1, then our output is now energized. Verifying that our PIC program is correct for AND logic gate in which the output is activated if both input are 1 or on state. When it comes to OR logic gate, if our input A is 0, input B is 0, then our input is not energized. If our input A is 0 and our input B is 1, then our input is energized. If our input A is 1 and input B is 0, our input is energized. If our input A is 1 and our input B is also 1, our input is still energized. That concludes that for OR logic gate, the output is energized as long as at least one of the input is 1. For our NOT logic gate, we only have one input. If our input is 0 in this diagram, our input is 0, then our output is energized. If our input is 1, our output is not energized. Since NOT logic gate inverses the initial output, and that's why it is called the inverter. So, for our NAND logic gate, which is the inverse of AND gate, if our input A is 0, our input B is 0, then the output is energized. If our input A is 0, then our input B is 1, our output is still energized. If our input A is 1 and our input B is 0, our output is still energized. However, if input A is 1, our input B is also 1, then our output is now not energized. Since NAND gate is the inverse of AND gate, in NAND logic gate, the output is energized if at least one of the input is out of state, verifying the truth table beside. So, for our NOR logic gate, so after simulation, this is the initial condition. This input A is 0 and input B is 0. The output is energized. If input A is 0 and input B is 1, the output is now not energized. If our input A is 1, our input B is 0, our output is not energized. If input A is 1 and input B is 1, the output is still not energized. Based on the given NOR logic gates truth table, it can be concludes that NOR gates produces the output of 1 when all input is 0. And when it comes to XOR gate, if input A is 0 and input B is 0, the output is not energized. If input A is 0 and input B is 1, the output is energized. If our input A is 1 and our input B is 0, then the output is energized. And if input A is 1 and input B is also 1, then the output is not energized. To conclude that, for XOR gate, input with different value, it gives an output of 1, and having the same value of input, then the output is 0.